how to verify your RCG Markets account. Today I will show you how to do this. First of all, go further and click on Start Verification, and then after that you will find this screen. Then right here we click on driver license and then we do continue. Then right now we need to give this website a front side and a back side for our ID. So I will do that. So we click here on choose, downloads, and then we do right here the front side, and then right here choose and do the back side, and then do then we do continue. Then right now he needs to scan my face, so we do continue, continue, allow this time. And right now you need to verify your face in this website. Now I'm recording my face, so I will turn off the recordings, and then after that I will be back. It cost not a few minutes, it cost me 15 minutes, but we are back. Right now we can save your data with some sub ID. It's not necessary for now. Your profile has been verified. You may close this page. So let's refresh this page. And for example, we can deposit and now everything works. So this is how you can verify your RCG Markets account. It's very simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.